Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
This is the lowest possible roll, and it will often be a loser in most dice games. Such as craps, the term has been used in general as a reference to bad luck. The odds of rolling snake eyes on two six-sided dice are 1 in 36, 1/6 by 1/6, the same as any roll.
Make your mark, take our lead.
So he slowly developed Storm Shadow's background, and his connection to Snake Eyes. And eventually he ended up joining the G.I. Joe team. This even led to the toy company making Storm Shadow a good guy in a new version of the toy.
Make your mark, take our lead.
He is called Chatterbox, but does not actually speak, because he had been dared by the other soldiers to actually keep quiet for a time. Snake Eyes is terribly scarred, and loses his voice, when a Cobra Commander-controlled Starscream shoots CoverGirl's missile tank out from under him.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.